Good morning, dear students. A very warm welcome. Hope you all are doing well and staying indoors. I am Alka Goel, your maths teacher, and today we will be doing the concept of unitary method. Before I start explaining the concept, let me ask you one question. If cost of 8 pence is rupees 120, what will be the cost of 10 such pence? I think in first go, this problem seems difficult to us, isn't it? Because we know cost of 8 pence and we have to find out cost of 10 pence. How will we do that? Don't worry. We can very well do it. We can divide this problem into two parts. Let's see how can we do it. Now we know cost of 8 pence and first we will calculate cost of 1 pen. So if cost of 8 pence is rupees 120, how will we calculate cost of 1 pen? We can simply divide. Now rupees 120 divided by 8 is equal to rupees 15. This rupees 15 is the cost of 1 pen. But in a given problem, children, we have to find out cost of 10 pence. Now here we have calculated cost of 1 pen. So with the help of cost of this 1 pen, we can easily calculate cost of 10 pence. If cost of 1 pen is rupees 15, cost of 10 pence will be 15 into 10 rupees 150. So easy now? Happy? Now this method where first we find the value of 1. One can be any object, any article, anything. And then with that value of 1, we find the value of many. This is called unitary method. Now once again, the method where first we find the value of 1 and then with that value of 1, we find value of many. That is called unitary method. Now why do we call it unitary method? Because unit means 1. That is why this method is called unitary method, because here we are first calculating the value of 1. Now what are steps involved? Let's have a look. First we find the value of 1 unit or object from the value of the many using division. Then second step is we find the value of the required number of units or objects using multiplication. So which all mathematical operations we are using here? Division and then multiplication. So we are using two mathematical operations, that is multiplication and division. Now let's take a few more examples. If cost of 5 chocolates is rupees 25, what will be the cost of 7 such chocolates? Now children, here we know cost of 5 chocolates and we have to find out cost of 7 chocolates. Now we have learned what is unitary method. So let's apply it here. Let's first find out cost of 1 chocolate. Cost of 5 chocolates is 25. So cost of 1 chocolate will be rupees 25 divided by 5. That is rupees 5. But we have to find out cost of how many chocolates? 7 chocolates. How can we find out? We can simply multiply. So the cost of 7 such chocolates will be rupees 5 into 7, that is 35 rupees. Easy. Now we know cost of 5 chocolates is 25. Then the cost of 7 similar chocolates will be 35 rupees. Let's take one more example. If a car travels 135 km in 3 hours, how far will the car travel in 8 hours? Now children, here we know the time and we have to find out the distance covered by the car in 8 hours. And the given is the distance covered by car in 3 hours. So let's do it. Distance covered in 3 hours is equal to 135 km. So distance covered in 1 hour will be equal to 135 divided by 3, which will be equal to 45 km. But we have to find out the distance covered by car in 8 hours. So how will we do it? We will simply multiply. The distance covered in 8 hours will be 45 into 8, which is equal to 360 kilometer. So isn't it easy, children? Now I think you people can solve any such problem using unitary method. So let's have a quick recap of the concept. Now, the method of finding the value of one article, with the help of that value, we can find out value of many articles. This is called unitary method. What did we do? First, we calculate value of 1, and with the help of the same 1, we calculated value of many as we want. And it involves two mathematical concepts, which are multiplication and division. So I hope you all have understood the concept. That's it for this video, children, and we will be taking one more interesting concept based on money itself in our next video. Till then, be safe, stay indoors.